Hello to all my amazing viewers, welcome back again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you easy and quick way to make your carrot cake. To make this delicious cake recipe, first start by combining the wet ingredients. Add your egg into your mixing bowl, beat the egg, then add 4 tablespoons of sugar, your vegetable oil. Make sure you are using unflavored vegetable oil. Mix the wet ingredient until the sugar properly dissolve. Add your milk, give it a quick mix, then sieve in your dry ingredient. So when making your cake batter, make sure you sieve in your dry ingredient into your wet ingredient gradually. So I'll go ahead to mix in my flour, baking soda and salt. While mixing your cake batter, if you feel like your cake batter is too thick, you can also add few drops of milk or water, then continue mixing until you get a perfect batter for your cake. After you are done mixing your cake batter, add in your carrots. Mix in the carrots into your cake batter until it is properly combined. After you are done, take out your baking pan, then pour in your cake batter into your baking pan. Preheat your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Bake your cake for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, take out your cake from the oven. To make sure that your cake is well baked, insert a toothpick in your cake. If it come out clean and dry, it means that your cake is well cooked and baked. Then take out your cake from the baking pan, allow it to cool down completely, serve and enjoy. So I'm going to cut the cake and show you guys what the inside of my carrot cake look like. As you can see, it came out looking so delicious and also fluffy. You can also try out this cake recipe and share in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to like and share this video. See you all on my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.